while Straubings on the other side.
And we are in Austria. We do a black. We call this beginner. Let's see how it goes. Mister, how do you feel about doing your first black today? Not good? Ah, okay. But it's hardly my fault. You mean you hate us as a group of friends? Okay. Arru, how do you feel about doing your first black today? Are you sure? Arru, say hi!
So far so good. Skiing year 2017 is over. No accidents on our side.
Wow, bumpy. It's like a war zone. For the snow, you mean? Arro cannone qua! I mean, I don't think I still have my nose. No, we're not in the honeymoon mood. What do you want? How can I help you? Did you smile at them? I saw you didn't smile.
So I've been biding my time, twisting my fate. I watch the clock, but it's too late. My life
starting with the ski interviews. We go in order of strength and skills in the level of skiing. Obviously, then we start with Pantera.
Hello.
What do you think about this experience until now?
I find it very hard.
How many times did you already change your boots and skis until now in like 6 hours of skiing?
Probably 997.
Well, that sounds too much, but it's actually
always
close to
have
reality.
all
It's
the
like 3
boots.
times. 3 times. My God. So you see, we're full with snow. I'm snowboarding, believe it or not. Woo.
It's good, huh?
I'm amazing.
And I try and convince myself that I've been living so well. Biding my time, twisting my faith. Oh, what's
You're changing now yet once more. Back to snowboard. For how long this time?
Probably 5 minutes.
Extreme skiing, yeah.
coming to this life I'm living, sinking in this, 'cause I wanna right now, I wanna love. The life I'm living is gonna be enough when it all goes down to zero. Till the fire burns out, till the lights go down, till the lost is found. We were
Finally, son.
till the fire burns out, till the lights go down, till the lost is found. We were
I think you lost something.
and it all goes down to zero. And it all goes down to zero.
Slept way too long. It's almost night again. Miss
My answer is stay young. Frozen and young.
if the grand plans in my head were in front of me instead, I'd rocket from this bed. Even though I know I should away,
Poor ass.
and I'd be okay. No one ever asked to be grown up. We just have to go with what we got. Something is wrong.
I'm not just sitting, I'm flying.
All this soft haze and lethargy. Something is wrong. Long, I waited far too long. Where do I begin? It's hard remembering. Am I completely through, or is my heart just bruised and feeling worn and used? I've been being lazy far too long, drinking things I know are way too strong. It's funny how we try to act grown up. Dinner dates and late night liquor stores.
And that's how you get ass pain. Ha ha! Well done.
My daydreams were they're wrapped around poems, arrangements, and melodies. Hey, I let the passion conquer, honey.
Oh my god.
Something is wrong. I'm trying so hard to
Dai, saluta! Wow!
be strong. Oh Lord, will you be all the strength and the wits I need? Everything I want is here. Oh, everything I want is here. Everything I want is here. Oh, everything I want is here. Gonna show you how it's done. Gonna go get mine, 'cause there's something for everyone. I'm gonna chase the clouds away. We're gonna miss the man.
You think?
Always has this face like, okay, I'm done.
Sorry guys, I tried snowboard. So many joys. I was going fast. I was like, oh my god, I'm going fast. What should I not do to fall? Thinking about it. It's a bitch.
Are you fucking with me? So Fräulein, let's spend this time to do the interview. Keep going. I was going to ask you, how are you enjoying this ski holiday? Are you sad it's almost over? Fräulein? 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 Hola. Come on, this is not how it works. No. Okay, so answer the question at least. Are you sad it's almost over? Such a speed, not just attached to the train, to the Pizzola train. Interview number 3. So we have Mrs. Lotte here, we have Mr. There's of course Fräulein Pizzola. So Fräulein Pizzola, how did you like the last slopes?
It was not bumpy enough, not icy enough, but the Morelli lift was pretty good.
Something you want to say to the crowd?
Ciao mamma!
Ciao mamma!
Ciao, mama.
Ciao mamma!
Ciao mamma! That way! Maximum speed!
Won't you come out?
First of all, I would like to say that how I started doing this. I started because I was looking for something which has a meaning. And I think that taking the snow from one place and put it into the next place is very important. Because if you don't do that, the snow is just gonna stay where the fat she wants. And we cannot let this happen. And this is why I shuffle. Say that our car is still stuck. Has it turned on? Oh fuck, I was recording. Shit.